Hi there, students. To abscond, to run away, to leave quickly and secretly and hide yourself away, particularly to avoid arrest or persecution, or just because you don't want to be there anymore. It's common as well to abscond from an institution. Last night, 3 prisoners absconded from the jail. Okay, they ran away and they hid. When I was at boarding school, I absconded from boarding school on various occasions. I got up and left without anybody knowing that I'd left. Yeah? Okay, so to run away, to flee in order to avoid punishment. The accountant absconded with the company money. Yeah, he ran away and hid with the money belonging to the company. Okay, so to depart secretly and hide yourself, to flee, to fly, to run off, to run away, to break out of somewhere and clear off and hide. Okay, yeah, he absconded with £10,000 belonging to the charity. Or maybe he absconded with even more money. So to abscond, to leave where you are supposed to be. So, yes, 2 inmates absconded from the secure mental hospital. Yeah, they escaped, they got out and left because they didn't want to be there anymore. In an open prison, it can be quite common that prisoners abscond, they run away. To abscond from Borstal, juvenile prison. Yeah. I guess you could abscond from the army. That they would call desertion. 3 of the soldiers absconded during the night. They deserted during the night. The prospect of severe punishment resulted in the man absconding. When he discovered his girlfriend was pregnant, he absconded. He disappeared. When the people he owed money to came to collect it, he had already absconded. This is something he does. He runs up enormous debts and then absconds, and nobody can ever find him to make him pay again. Okay. I guess you could, a kid could abscond from home. The kid had abusive parents. He absconded and just disappeared. He didn't come back. Okay, so it's got this idea of to steal away, to withdraw so that nobody can find you, to evade and hide. You could abscond from your responsibility. You could abscond from your duty. Yeah, just go away and hide and not deal with it at all. Okay, so to abscond, a regular verb. He absconded. He has absconded. Yeah, he's run off. And how formal is this? This is quite a formal word. I'm going to give it a 7.5, 7 in formality. I think, yeah, to run away, to do a runner, that's pretty informal. That's a 3 in formality. And then the origin, well, it comes from Latin, abscondo, to hide, ab, away, and condo, put together or to store. Okay, so to abscond. Do not abscond from your responsibilities. Do not abscond from your post. The guards were supposed to be guarding the building, but when I went to check, they clearly had absconded, gone off somewhere to hide and not do their job at all. But to abscond, particularly from an institution, a school, a prison, a mental hospital, or to abscond abscond to avoid arrest or prosecution, to abscond with the money. The burglars absconded with my property. Yeah, they left. So there you go, to abscond. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Abscond.